Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our 7 Days English Speaking Challenge. I'm Arif.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our 7 Days English Speaking Challenge. I'm Emma.
Today is day 7, the final day of our 7 Days English Speaking Challenge.
Yes, we have completed 6 wonderful days together, and today is our final lesson.
Thank you so much for joining us every day.
We're so happy to see you again.
In today's lesson, we'll talk about our childhood, school life, favorite games, teachers, dreams, and happy memories.
Today's topic is talking about childhood memories. This is a very special topic because childhood memories are something we all love to remember. So, let's begin.
Emma, do you miss your childhood?
Yes, I do. Sometimes I really miss those beautiful days because life was simple and I didn't have many worries or responsibilities.
That's true. Childhood is one of the happiest times in life.
Where did you grow up?
I grew up in a small village in Bangladesh.
Really? What was it like?
It was peaceful and beautiful.
That sounds amazing.
What about you?
I grew up in a small town. There were beautiful parks, quiet streets, and friendly neighbors.
That sounds like a wonderful childhood.
Yes, I loved riding my bicycle around the neighborhood and playing with my friends every evening. Did you enjoy living there?
Of course. There were green fields, rivers, ponds, and many trees. Every afternoon, I played outside with my friends until sunset.
That sounds like a wonderful childhood. Do you remember your first day at school?
I remember my first day at school very clearly. I was very nervous
Why?
because it was my first time away from my parents.
I felt the same way.
My mother walked me to school and told me not to be afraid. Her words gave me confidence.
I was nervous too, but my teacher welcomed me with a big smile and made me feel comfortable.
That's wonderful.
Did you make friends quickly?
I met a boy named Hassan. We studied together, played together, shared our lunch, and helped each other with homework.
On my first day, I met a girl named Lily. We became best friends and spent a lot of time together.
That's really special.
What about you? Are you still friends?
Yes, we still keep in touch. Whenever we meet, we always talk about our school days.
That's really special. What was your favorite subject in school?
My favorite subject was English. I loved learning new words and practicing simple conversations with my classmates.
My favorite subject was art, because I loved drawing and painting. I also enjoyed making creative projects and participating in school competitions. What about you? Who was your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher was Mr. Rahman. He always smiled, encouraged every student, and made every lesson interesting.
My favorite teacher was Mrs. Brown. She was kind, patient, and always helped me whenever I had questions. She taught me to believe in myself and never give up.
I believe a good teacher can change a student's life.
I completely agree. A good teacher can inspire students for life.
What games did you play after school?
I loved playing hide and seek, skipping rope, badminton, and sometimes board games with my friends. What about you?
Those are really fun games. I usually played cricket, football, badminton, and hide and seek with my friends.
Did you play every day?
Almost every afternoon after finishing my homework.
You must have had a lot of fun.
Yes, we laughed, ran, and enjoyed every moment together. We didn't have expensive toys, but we were very happy.
Children today spend more time on mobile phones than playing outside.
Children today spend much more time on mobile phones and computers.
Our childhood was different. We spent more time talking, laughing, and creating memories together.
When we were children, we spent more time outdoors, talked to our friends face to face, and created beautiful memories together. Emma, what was your favorite toy when you were a child?
My favorite toy was a teddy bear.
Really?
I carried it almost everywhere and even slept with it every night.
That sounds lovely.
What about you?
I had a small toy car. I played with it almost every day and imagined that I was driving around the world.
That's cute.
What was your favorite cartoon?
My favorite cartoon was Doraemon. I watched it almost every day after school. I also enjoyed other cartoons, but Doraemon was my favorite. What was your favorite cartoon?
I loved watching Tom and Jerry. It always made me laugh.
Tom and Jerry is really funny.
Can you tell me one funny childhood memory?
One day, I accidentally wore my shoes on the wrong feet and went to school like that. My teacher noticed it and everyone started laughing. I laughed too because it was so funny.
That's really funny.
Can you tell me one funny childhood memory?
One day, I climbed a mango tree with my friends. I slipped and fell into a pile of dry leaves. Everyone laughed, including me.
That's hilarious.
What was your biggest dream when you were a child?
When I was a child, I wanted to become a teacher because I loved helping people learn new things. Even today, I still enjoy teaching and helping others.
That's a wonderful dream.
What was your biggest dream when you were a child?
When I was young, I dreamed of becoming a pilot. Later, I became interested in computers and technology. Now, my dream is to become a software engineer.
That's a wonderful dream.
What is your happiest childhood memory?
My happiest memory was visiting my grandparents every summer. My grandmother used to tell wonderful stories every night before bed. Those moments were truly magical. What is your happiest childhood memory?
My happiest memory was spending every evening with my family. We talked, laughed, ate dinner together, and enjoyed our time without worrying about anything.
That's a beautiful memory.
Emma, I think childhood is the most beautiful part of life. We may grow older, but our childhood memories always stay in our hearts.
I think childhood is one of the most beautiful stages of life. Even though we grow older, those memories stay in our hearts forever.
Today, we have completed our 7 days English speaking challenge. I hope you have learned many useful English words and conversations with us.
Yes, we have completed our 7 days English speaking challenge. I'm so happy that we shared this journey together. I hope everyone watching these videos has learned something useful and gained confidence in speaking English.
Remember, learning English takes time. Practice a little every day and never be afraid of making mistakes.
Remember, making mistakes is a normal part of learning. Don't be afraid to speak English. The more you practice, the better you will become.
Thank you so much for watching and supporting our channel. We'll come back with more exciting English lessons very soon. Until then, take care, keep practicing English, and keep smiling.
Thank you so much for spending these 7 days with us. Your support means a lot to us. This may be the end of our 7 days English speaking challenge, but it should be the beginning of your English speaking journey. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. We'll see you again in our next English lesson. Until then, take care and stay happy.
Goodbye, everyone. See you again.
Goodbye, everyone. See you again soon.